The first job centers of the Job Corps, which was established by LBJ as part of his 1964 war on poverty, were opened in 1965. By the end of 1965, over 35,000 young men and women were being trained in their centers.
One phase of the anti-poverty program gets underway at Thurmont, Maryland, as the first of 25,000 Job Corps trainees arrive at camp. This center adjoins the presidential retreat, Camp David, and here young men from Springfield, Massachusetts to Wise County, Virginia will learn new skills and spend some of their workday on conservation programs. Most of the young men to be enlisted are high school dropouts, and the program will concentrate on vocational training to prepare them for jobs when their year in the Job Corps is completed. Besides the carpentry and welding shops, there will be classes in automotive repair and plumbing. The corpsmen will put in an 11-hour day and receive an allowance of $30 a month. With school classes, job training, and conservation work, they face a hard schedule, but they also face a brighter future.